So this is how you open the MDX door. There are 2 screws here and 1 over here. Then you just pull it off the door. Then you take 3 screws over here. You pull this out. There are 3 screws over there for the mirror. These are the connectors. For the door panel, you take this out. Then you pull this rubber first, then you pull this out. Then you can take these connectors and you can open the door from here. That's it. There's our door. You just pull this up. Then there are these clips. So these 2 are rivets here, this one and this one. So you have to drill them like this and it will come out. Same here. This way. Open this thing and then pry these plastic yellow clips. To pull this out of there, you need to press this from underneath. Now there is 1 screw and 1 this one. Then just pull the bumper out. There are 2 screws and bolts. There are same kind of clips underneath and some screws. This clip was really holding it.